Hello folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Little tip today, right now, in a lot of thrift shops and garden shops, they have these. These are patio lights, which are pretty good, and you can replace the candle inside and close it. Some of us even put in mirrors or make our own candles. If you watch Bob 942, he makes his own candles. And this is pretty safe. Alright, gives off a nice soft glow. It won't get too hot because you won't have the handle there. But you get between, if you get it from a thrift store, $3 or $4. If you buy it at a lawn, at big box store, maybe about $14, $15, depending on the make and model. Arts and craft stores carry it. So it's a very simple thing, folks. All right. Just been busy. I'm trying to keep this about 5 to 10 minutes long. I've been busy the last couple of days, and this is August. You only got 3 weeks left. Good or bad, September will roll around. Now, a lot of people ask me a lot of stupid questions. What's going to happen, Uncle Al? And I kind of look at them like, you're 37 years old, and you still don't understand. It's like, even Dave at Southern Ohio Prep and got fed up so much that he's taking a few days off to relax. And like I tell people, you can't help stupid people, okay? If they're a Chad or a Karen, totally out of loop, this is people who are totally out of loop, don't see things simply to pick up. It looks nice. It stands on my counter. I have 4 or 5 of them. I'm going to do another video on oil lamps. Go check out CAMPPATTON's Family Compound on that. Very good video. And nobody ever listens to old Uncle Al. Alright, you got 3 weeks until September, good or bad. I'll say it to a lot of new preppers and new prepping channels. Hell will break loose. Okay? Uncle Al's been through the ringer a couple times. So I'm kicking back. I got my supplies. I'm taking it easy. I gotta get eye surgery, and also my doctor, like my blood pressure or heart rate going crazy. So I'm just kicking back, watching Netflix, like normal people do, and trying to finish this letter. I'm on page 6 right now, because a lot of people ask me stupid questions, and when I give them the truth or the proper answer, they always repeat this. Why is there no foods on the shelves? Why is this going to happen? Blah. That's like a broken record or a parrot. And sometimes leave that in comments. I'm looking at them. You don't understand. You didn't do the research. And then people give me the stupidest answer. It's a Russian-U.S. total annihilation war. Okay, what year is this? It is not the 1980s. The Soviet Union have folded. All right. Right now, what I'm worried about is a tactical war between Russia and China. A lot of people are like, huh? What's the tactical war, Uncle Alan? I'm going, oh, God. Do I have to talk to these people? Remember, folks, Uncle Alan's, even with brain damage, is anywhere from 190 to 200. So I'm a super genius or an idiot, but I have a stroke and I keep my mouth shut because Uncle Alan's just coasting through. A lot of you don't understand that. I do. Okay? So think about it. You can go to a garden supply and pick up a couple of these. You don't see Dad on YouTube doing it because you get the bug repellent candles in there and put it outside and keeps the mosquitoes away from you. That's another thing a lot of people don't learn. Vermin. Okay? And like I said, it's just simple tricks. Alright? A lot of people aren't that fast and they're not smart and they drive Uncle Alan crazy. They don't listen to Uncle Alan. Fine. But I told them when it really SHTF happened, you're going to pay and pay hard. Now, I made sure my family got up to level 1. They all have food pantries. I told them empty out of the closet or I'll come here on one weekend take everything out of that closet, give it to Goodwill, and burn it. So they have closet with shelves and everything stacked the way I like it, and they have enough food for 6 months. And they said, "You can't do it, Uncle Alan." I said, "Would you like to see a person fly through the air through a plate glass window?" Uncle Alan may be old, overweight, look like Thor in Endgame, eat too much pizza, and has to use a walker. But if you think I can't lift a 350-pound overweight bozo and throw him through a plate glass window, let's see you try to stop me. Okay? Uncle Alan will move stuff if necessary. I'm not that bad out of shape. I hurt like hell, and I don't sleep at night, so I'm crazy as hell. I have enough morbidities on me that if I do take that wonderful miracle vax, Uncle Alan will drop dead. Okay, I have brain damage. I had stroke. The county listed me as dead until I proved them I'm still alive. They got the wrong person. And it's like, this drives me crazy. Okay? I have to backtrack it, foot stomp it. Uncle Alan's old. Uncle Alan's tired. Uncle Alan wants to kick back and enjoy his retirement. Now, a lot of you have them planned carefully, and I still got to do the suitcase thing. I got it all prepped and ready to go and do a video on that. And also, I got to do the dangers of apartment living. If you live in a big city in an apartment, right now, leave, because the rent conviction is happening. Make plans to move someplace else. Sell all your stuff if you have to, and go to a different area. You don't have a second chance. I've been warning people this economic warfare for over a year. Everybody laughs at old Uncle Al. Okay? And if you're not escaped by September away from the cities I told you, Mexico City, New York, and Toronto, Ontario, you're going to pay the price. So anyway, you're going to enjoy. We have, this is, everybody's going to call in history, year 2021, a year without a president. And you know who they're going to blame. Okay? You know, the black Nazis. I'm not going to tell what three-letter group that is. And also the communist conspiracy. We all know it starts with an A. And they're saying, "Oh, no, we're in a custom, blah, blah, blah." No, they're, whatchamacallit, their bosses from China. Anybody who could do really basic investigation and research will find out. But most of you can't even walk across the room and use the bathroom. Okay? Uncle Alan's old. Uncle Alan's tired. I survived a lot of things, and I don't want to hear any 20-something-year-old, 30-something-year-old, 40-something-year-old tell me they know life. Okay? I don't want to hear about it. If they want life, I could always shoot them in the nuts. See how long you'll enjoy life without a pair of testicles after a 44 slug goes through. Okay? So think about it, folks. You could be Rambo or play Batman in the Boondocks. I don't really care. You only have 3 weeks. I'm not kidding. 3 weeks to take care of it. Catch you later, folks.